racing today?
We're racing Dragonoid, Zombie, the new one, and Black. We're gonna race all of them. And Solo. We're racing all of them today.
All right.
Warrior, Scooby-Doo. Warrior and Scooby-Doo. Okay, Dragonoid versus Warrior, Scooby-Doo versus Solo. And then Zombie versus Flash. Okay, so we'll start with Dragonoid versus Warrior. First up, we're starting Warrior and Dragonoid.
Time.
All right, put them right there then. Who's going first?
Dragonoid. Dragonoid. And versus Warrior.
First.
Yeah. First we have race. First one we have Dragonoid. Okay, let's see who will win. Wait, it's too slow. Why, Ollie? I'm gonna put this on here. How that firework? Okay, the fireworks. Shows firework. Okay, which one we was talking about? Not sure. Well, Dragonoid and Mohawk Warrior, Ollie. Yep. That we're talking about. So. Mohawk Warrior!
Right.
Mohawk Warrior! We have Toloco, and we have Scooby-Doo.
All right, the dance of all dances, the race dance. All right, let's see. Wait, ready? Whoa!
Toloco won.
Who's racing now?
Zombie. Black. Black? Black. Wait. Who's Zombie?
Zombie.
Yeah,
Zombie's the
won for
winner.
sure.
It's the semifinals. Who made it to the semifinals?
So we have Walker got the semifinals, and we have Toloco. We're gonna see who gets win.
All right, well, hold on. Shay, who you think is gonna win?
I think Toloco.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see.
Warrior.
Let's see who's gonna win.
Who's gonna guess?
Whoa! Toloco won.
So he's gonna race Zombie.
Wow.
He's gonna race Zombie now.
He's gonna race Zombie in the finals. Shay, who's in the finals?
Toloco and Zombie.
All right. So who you guys think is gonna win? We'll talk.
Come on. I think it's Toloco. Toloco's gonna win because he's fast. Come on, let's
Were you guys doing a dance this show or what? This is all right. You guys want to dance tonight?
Yes!
No.
Yes!
Yeah.
Can we do
So
another
the winner
one?
is.
Can we do another one since I think something's wrong with Zombie? Oh, I think because of the zombie wheels.
All right, okay, let's do it again.
Okay, Toloco. Okay.
Gotta be fair.
We have to be fair. So for Zombie. So Zombie again. Since Zombie.
Oh, that was a close one.
Yeah!